Hello everybody, it's Joshalot again, and I'm back with you with another command block tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to teleport around your world using the Tellraw command with all these commands here. Basically a quick demonstration of this when you splash yourself with a splash potion of regeneration. If I do this, like this, I'll get given this interface in the chat here. So I can TP to spawn over here, to the 50-meter dash, books, command blocks, doors, my minigame that I'm working on, the JSON commands. By the way, the code that we're using here is called JSON coding. Christmas Town, just a little thing I was working on. My shop over here, so my server I am currently working on. It's got the commands as in creative, survival. You can see down here my hotbar. Day, it's already day. Adventure mode, nighttime. I can give myself command blocks, like so. I can give myself another potion. And then I splash it down again, and I'm given the interface again. Now the reason I can give myself a potion, so when I splash myself, I don't have a potion anymore. So then I can give myself the potion. Where is it? Here we go. And I've got my potion, so let's just splash ourselves back to the command box over here and go in, where is it? Creative. Here we go. Now, the way this entire contraption works is we've got a hopper clock running here. Oh, why is it nighttime? Day. There we go. So, basically we've got a hopper clock running here into this command block. What it's trying to do is it's constantly trying to take away, it's going affect Joshalot, that's my name. So what's it doing? It's going affect Joshalot 10, which is regeneration, and 0. So what it's trying to do is it's trying to take regeneration from Joshalot. So basically when I splash myself, it takes it, giving off an output here and here. These two rows here are exactly the same. It's just one of them is the commands and one is locations I've made. Basically the first thing it does is you'll see when I splash myself with regeneration, it has a gap at the very beginning. So see up here how it's got a gap here, it's also got a gap down here. Now the way that works is when you've got two command blocks stacked on top of each other and they're both doing a say command, for example, the one on the bottom will always run first. An example of this is if I was to go say 1 and say 2. If they both get activated at the same time, from the bottom one, obviously. If it was activated from the top, if it was activated like this, the top one would go first. Basically, the one that's being powered will go first. So it'll go 1, 2. Or if it's powered from the top one, it'll go 2, 1, okay? So basically, what the first thing it's doing is it's telling Joshalot, because this only works for me in this case. You can just change this to A, at P, set some parameters if you want. But basically, the way this works is it goes dash Tellraw, Joshalot, text, and then just a space in here inside these quotations, and that space there basically is that gap here. Well, actually no, it's actually here, and the one above it says locations in the color green. I'll run through all this coding in a sec, and the commands will be in the description. Not all of these obviously, but I'll have, like, for example, this one here and these ones here, and even this one, because basically this one here, you see this one here, the second one here, the commands are all basically the same, okay? Just changing the values of some things. I'll show you. So basically, Tellraw, Joshalot, sorry, locations in the color green. So what that does is it shows it up here. It says locations, colon, which I've written down there, in the color green, with a space, which is this. After that, it goes Tellraw, Joshalot, text, basically it doesn't say anything here, then it goes text, and I've put a little hyphen in here, TP to spawn, and the clickEvent action, it runs the command, the value of that command is TP Joshalot to these coordinates, and those coordinates are over here, and this just has a title I did. That's nothing. So if we go back to, here it is. So if we're back here again, so if you want to write this out yourself, get out your command block and write down the following. Dash Tellraw Joshalot, space, curly bracket, quotation, text. Write the word text, not your thing or anything. Quotation, colon, quotation, quotation, comma, space, quotation, then extra, no caps or anything, quotation, colon, space, square bracket. Then you put in a squiggly bracket again and put your quotation, write the word text, no caps again, quotation, colon, quotation. Now after that last quotation, you write in whatever you want to say here. Basically, I've got TP books, okay? Then you end it off with a quotation, comma, space, quotation, and then write clickEvent. Lowercase c for click and everything, but a capital E in the word event. So lowercase CLICK, caps E, and then lowercase event, okay? Then quotation, colon, squiggly bracket, quotation and the word action, no caps, quotation, colon, quotation, then type the words run command separated by an underscore, which is basically right next. If you hold down shift and click the button right next to your 0 on your computer, not the 9 but the one to the right of that, this is an underscore. It's different to this. We don't want this one, okay? We want it down below like this. So run command, quotation, comma, space, quotation, value, quotation, colon, quotation. Now inside here, this is where you put your command, okay? I've got a TP command, you can put whatever you want, okay? Once you put the command in, finish off with a quotation. Now we're going to close off all the other brackets we did. So curly bracket, square bracket, and curly bracket. And that command there will simply put in, it'll show this, okay? So basically, I'll spam it. That's what it looks like here. It goes hyphen TP to books. When you click it, it'll teleport you to, this is my books. This will be in a different episode. It's basically a variation to this, but a bit more, not as good basically, okay? So we go back, where is it? TP to JSON commands, here we go. So that's basically what that does. If you want to know how we get the color in there, you see in this one, it says locations in the color green. So what you can do is if you get this part of the, no, not that end one. If you get this part here, in this one here, where it's got the text and everything, goes TP spawn, then paste this in, go color green, like that. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that there should be, yeah, and now it's green, okay? So when I splash myself with the potion again, regeneration, now the words TP to spawn is now in green. And to fix that, if you want to get rid of it again, like I'm going to do right now, because I don't exactly want it green, that bit there, go up to the comma here, and just basically backspace all of this to there. And now you see when I splash it, the TP to spawn is now normal color, see? Just like that. So now if I check, yep, okay, yep, so basically that's it, okay? The second one over here, if you're wondering, same thing as the other one, just has a space in between shop and commands. Then up here it says commands in color green. I really like the color green. So basically same thing. It's text. The text in here is creative. Don't forget, this is the bit where you can put whatever you want in. I'll put in like a template command in the description. So click event, action, run command. The value in this case is game mode 1, Joshalot. So no one else is going to be able to use it because it's only clearing Joshalot. However, if someone else were to splash me with the effect, it would spam that. It's not exactly that nice, but that's basically what could happen. So like if this happened, it would spam my chat completely. Okay? What is this? Anyway, so yeah, that's really all I have for today. Thanks for watching. A like is always appreciated. Please subscribe and check out the new puzzle map I have made. It's called Roomscape 6, inspired by Carrot. that's his YouTube name. His not an actual carrot, obviously. So basically, yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.